Been looking for your sideburns.
Whoa, hold on a sec. Let's you and I have a chat.
Huh?
Based on how you decide to play it, we're willing to give up and turn ourselves in. We just want a little closure to take some of the sting out of this anger. Denji, it's no secret that you killed their friends and my granddad. Why not atone and right your wrongs?
I mean, somebody else killed them first. Those guys were zombified, dude.
Don't you fucking lie! Little shits like you are always blowing smoke. Alright, fine. Say that whole zombie scenario is the hard truth. They were still human at one point. Had you killed them, don't you have the slightest shred of remorse?
Nah, I'm good.
You know I've been put through the ringer too. Sawatari replaced my heart with a katana devil somehow. But even I have trouble sleeping at night where I've slipped up and sent zombies on another trip to the afterlife. I ain't completely heartless, but I guess that makes one of us, huh? If you got any kind of conscience left in there, you should do the world a favor and let us kill you.
No thanks.
So that's that. I'll cover up your scrawny ass even more!
I'd like to see you try!
Got my scrawny ass a crap! What happened, huh? I'm waiting!
You're looking a lot sharper than before. Tell me, what's the reason why you keep fighting?
I want to protect my new lifestyle. Yes.
So you've been living the good life with public safety?
It ain't all good. I had to put up with a nag and a brat. But hey, it could be worse. So like it or not, I'm kicking their ass. This Makima will praise me all day for it.
Cocky for someone who has no hope of winning.
What? You really think you've got me beat already? Am I gonna pull my better chance? You rubber! Where is he? Get off! Whoa, 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 whoa!
Dude,
That move's banned starting now!
you wish. You're done. Can't fight without your arms. So how about it, Denji? Why not use your last few breaths to apologize for killing Granddad?
Who says I can't still fight? The chains on my head's all I need to answer! Yeah! Didn't my granddad ever teach you to know when to quit? Grovel for his mercy, and I'll put you out of your misery. You put the dick in predictable, and went for my head like a damn shit! Didn't that rock-out geezer ever teach ya? You should know better than to trust what I just said! Should've gone to the legs to go!